Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a privilege and a pleasure to join you. Today we've got a fairly basic Cartesian plane question. It shouldn't take us long, and I'm going to get straight into it. In the coordinate plane below, or the Cartesian plane below, which point could have the coordinates 2 and minus 4? Now remember guys, when you've got a 2 and minus 4, this 2 refers to the x coordinate, and this minus 4 refers to the y coordinate. So this 2 is positive, so it's going to fall on this side because it's a positive x. And then the y is a negative, so it's going to fall on the negative side. So if we're in this quadrant, because we've got a positive x and a negative y, that means r is going to be the coordinate. So that's going to be 2, and that's going to be negative 4. So r is the correct answer here. Thanks so much to our sponsors for making this video possible. A very special thank you to you for joining us. Be sure to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you're keen to have your question answered by us, remember to send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video. Until the next time guys, stay epic.